Have to mention the EPL title race going into the Christmas season. Not because Liverpool is leading, but just to put into perspective how this unusual season is panning out so far. Now, first of all, you know the history of the teams leading the league at Christmas. 11 of the last 14 leaders at Christmas have gone on to become champions of the league. And of course, that is history. And there is no guarantee that history will count for anything at the end of the season. And so far this season, all the teams are losing games and dropping points. The usual suspects remain the contenders. Liverpool, Man City, Chelsea. Welcome back to Man U and Tottenham Hotspurs to the contender status. Gunners right now, a slingshot to the thing. But Liverpool though, and coach Jurgen Klopp, 2 starting centre halves, basically out for the season. Thiago out, Milner out, and at one point, we had 8 players out injured. No panic, no worry. The boss just step into the academy and take out some youngsters and slot them into the system. And just like that, Virgil who? And Gomez who? Top of the league, heading into the Christmas and the New Year. My side big, or my side big? Eh? My coach great, or my coach great? I want to wish you all a very merry, you'll never walk alone Christmas.